now shift our focus from West Bengal to Maharashtra, in specific Mumbai, because Mumbai's lifeline is set to face disruptions and delays between September 30th to October 4th as speed restrictions have been imposed between Goregaon, Kandivali owing to track-related work that is set to have a cascading effect on train services. Now, at least 175 local trains were cancelled on Monday, with commuters on the Western Railway set to face disruptions, that is, for a second straight day. Now, the speed restriction has been enforced owing to ongoing relaying of the 5th and 6th railway lines between Ram Mandir and Kandivali railway stations. Now, the cancellations of services will be to adjust the train's daily schedule owing to a speed restriction of 30 km per hour being imposed, that is, on all 4 railway lines between Ram Mandir and Malad stations. Now, railway officials stated that in addition to the cancelled trains, other local trains and long-distance trains will also be affected, causing delays of at least 15 to 20 minutes owing to speed restrictions. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me live. Shweta, good morning. Clearly, we gave a quick takeaway. This is basically the lifeline, or rather the heartbeat for every commuter who is essentially in Mumbai. We also see you're reporting from one of the stations, that is. Talking about the implications of this for the common man, what do we need to know from this, and how long is that going to be disrupting the particular moment?
Well, yes, in fact, the disruptions are huge and the commuters are facing difficulties while traveling to their offices. In fact, in morning peak hours, if we just see, there have been entire train which has been blocked by people. In fact, people face great difficulties while traveling. In fact, as we understand that more than 150 trains, as per the information laid down by the Western Railway, it says that 150 to 175 local trains have been cancelled, and several trains, in fact, which are running are delayed about 15 to 20 minutes, which is leading to a great crowd which is gathered at the railway station. And apart from this, we also see is that the huge crowd, as Manoj is also showing you, that this is peak hours and all the people, those who are traveling to their respective offices, are finding it great difficult to commute. As we have interacted with many of the commuters, they also highlight the point that the cancelled train are something which they can accommodate with. But what about the trains which are not running on time? As far as the daily ridership of Western Railway is concerned, that is about 35 lakh per day. So 35 lakh commuters do take the route of Western Railway to travel towards their home and offices. Here the situation is to be grave, because we see that more than 150 local trains are being cancelled. The reason being, I can just quickly show you the new railway track that has been laid down, but cut and connection services are yet to be done, and because of this we can see many things are underway. The construction is underway. Because of this, the train limit has also been set up to 30 km per hour, and this is leading to many cancellations and delay in the lifeline. As we just go further, we have communicated with many of the commuters. They have their audio to share that in peak hours this is not something great, and not even great morning for all Mumbaikars. As we see everywhere, there is a serpentine queue. While people are waiting, they have to leave near about 5 to 6 local trains because of the heavy rush. And here we are also seeing that the trains are also delayed near about 15 to 20 minutes. As we just move further, we see many of the people have been just facing difficulties.